Morning everyone, welcome back. So it's time. We gotta head to the elevator. I got the truck started and we are getting ready to go to the elevator, unload some corn that we picked last night. And we're gonna try and finish up that corn. We're picking some higher moisture corn to fill a high moisture contract. And then we're gonna come back to the area, switch over to beans. I don't know if you can even see me or not. So, let's get rolling. First load done. Time to go back to the field and grab another one. So for those of you that don't know, this is where we bring our grain because we don't have enough holding facility for everything. So we go to the local elevator. So now we'll go inside and get our ticket. It'll tell us all the shenanigans. So now we got that. We just get a receipt. Shows us our gross weight, how much we brought in, moisture, test weight, if it's damaged, any foreign material. I would show you guys, but that's all high-end, top government stuff. Depends who you ask. Alright, back at the field. I'm going to run up here and turn this pivot on. Because the pivot's going through this corn right now. We got this side done. So we're going to move the pivot out of our way so we can get to this later. He's right there picking right now. And we just got probably 30 acres left over there. Then have to come back over here. So we're going to see if this motor will fire up. Well guys, so if you watched my last video, or if you've been following at all, you know that I crashed my drone during the bean video. Well, I got my parts in the mail, and I decided to try and fix it myself because I think it's called a yaw, was bent on the gimbal, and that's why you always seen the corner.
Towards the end, Steve.
And that's why you always...
Getting pretty pumped up about tomorrow?
And that's why you always...
Yeah, I'm really excited. 6 o'clock in the morning.
Boy, I was going to ask you, did you find an ice machine?
just turn that down for a little bit. Anyways, so I'm not real good with small electronics, especially with my big fingers, but I think I got it. We're gonna try it. We're gonna recalibrate it and hope it flies. We'll try it. Let's see. We're back in the combine, or I'm back in the combine now, cutting some corn. We switched back over because we got the one field, the 80 acres done right over a mile from here, not even a mile. So we got those beans done, and then now instead of moving clear to the other bean field, we're gonna go ahead and pick here some more because this is going to our bins. So we're gonna fill our drying bin all the way up tonight, and then we'll load 3 semis for the morning. Or 2, I guess, because one still has beans in it. And then tomorrow we're gonna go back to beans. So in the meantime, corn. One of my favorite things about farming is night work. I absolutely love night work. Just something about it just seems cool. It's peaceful. You can watch the sunset. I know.
You'll have to dump that in the grain cart because we got a problem there. In the bin, I gotta run back there.
Okay, do I need to do another round? Probably.
You don't make a whole lot of difference if we don't get it fixed. It ain't gonna matter. So I'd say just quit after that round.
Okay.
You can take your truck to our place.
Okay. Anyways, I know it's arguable, but Nebraska probably has some of the best sunsets. Unless you're in the mountains, then, you know, mountains are cool too. I love mountains. Anyways, let's get some light. Heading over to go dump on the grain cart right now. Dad just had to take off because the bins are broke down again. Something went wrong, which they just went wrong about an hour ago. So I'm not sure what it is. I never bothered to ask. He was in a hurry, so I'm gonna run over here. I got my truck full, which is the last truck we're filling tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and dump on the grain cart. That way, if he decides to fill a truck that's at the bins, he has enough corn. And if he doesn't, it'll be there for tomorrow. Well guys, that is a wrap for tonight. We got the truck full. We got some in the grain cart for the next truck, which they're not going to fill now because whatever's wrong with the bins is going to take longer than they expected. So got some sitting in the grain cart for now. We'll get to it tomorrow morning. Hopefully we get the bins fixed, and then we're going to go cut beans tomorrow afternoon. So that's all I got for you guys on this video. Make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss a thing, and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.